What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Not the video I expected to make today, but today we're checking out a pretty sick pit bike track the boys are building. They hit me up, so I'm out here checking it out. We did some work already. I'll put a few clips of that in, but let me walk you guys around the track and show you what it's all about. So this dirt is pretty mint. Right now it's just a little loop. There's gonna be a corner here that is gonna be blocked off. Create like a bowl turn here down the hill. There's another little corner. Comes this way. And now there's a big table over here we made. You guys will see some of that. I filmed us working on that. I'm not sure how well you guys could see in the video, but it's a decent sized table. Come up and over. We got a nice landing going. It's a good look at it. And then you come this way. A nice uphill corner. You could stay in the gas. Hit it like second gear, pinned. Probably hit it faster, but I'm not good on a little bike. So you go this way. And then, as of now, we're turning right and going up this hill. That's where I first started filming. There's a nice corner up there. But our plan is to make this go straight, build a jump here. It's gonna be a step down. You're gonna come straight down. Be a corner here. You're gonna zigzag up the hill. You're gonna turn around up there. There's gonna be a path through here. You're gonna take a left and then go back up that hill. There's a bunch of jumps and different rhythm sections we're gonna add, but we're just trying to get a layout. And I figured I'd take you guys along because it's pretty sick. I wasn't expecting this. Yeah, let me see. Building this uphill section now. Building the uphill bowl turn. Trying to make a berm here. Carrying up the hill. So that's probably it for today. I'll put in some clips of us working, some riding. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.